The US says it does not seek another war, but it will protect itself and respond appropriately following the drone attack that killed 3 American soldiers and wounded dozens near the Jordan-Syria border at a remote outpost called Tower 22. Since Israel's retaliation for the October the 7th attacks, US military bases in Syria and Iraq have been attacked more than 170 times. The group behind the deaths at the Tower 22 base, called Islamic Resistance in Iraq, are part of an Iranian-sponsored network across the Middle East. Known as the Axis of Resistance, there's a number of pro-Iranian militias based in Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, the Palestinian territories, and as far south as Yemen. All are opposed to Israel and the United States. From Washington, our North America editor Sarah Smith has the latest.
In the Situation Room, President Biden, with his defense secretary, is considering his military reaction.